Hey everyone, welcome back to Gateway Travel's channel. Today we're diving into a super exciting topic, how to host in-person travel workshops. If you're a travel agent looking to connect with your clients in a more personal way, this video is for you. Let's get started. So what exactly are travel workshops? Well, they're essentially gatherings where travel agents like you share valuable information about different travel destinations, tips, trends, with a group of interested travelers. These workshops can be a game changer for your business. They help you build stronger relationships with your clients, provide personalized advice, and establish yourself as an expert in your field, which is very important. Let me share a quick story. One of our agents had hosted a small travel workshop at a local cafe. Not only did he get to meet new clients, but he also got to know them better and understand their travel preferences. By the end of the workshop, he had several new bookings and a group of, very happy clients. All right, let's talk about choosing the right location. The venue you pick can really set the tone for your workshop. These places are usually easy to get to and have that right vibe, Make sure the venue has enough seating, good lighting, and very important, make sure the necessary AV equipment like a projector or sound system is functional and, it can work. Because trust me, you don't want to have any technical hiccups on the day that you guys are all there. Also, check if you need any special licenses or permissions to host your event there. A quick call to the venue can usually clear that up. Marketing your workshop is crucial to get the word out and, fill those seats. We want the seats filled. Start promoting early on your social media platforms. You can even share behind the scenes images on Instagram stories, and don't forget to post regular updates. Collaborating with local businesses or influencers can also give your workshop a boost. Maybe a nearby coffee shop can help you spread the word, offering early bird discounts or special incentives like a free travel consultation. These types of things can also attract more attendees. Next up, crafting an engaging agenda. You want to keep things interesting and interactive. Start with an outline of the main topics you'll cover, maybe popular travel destinations, budgeting tips, or packing hacks. But don't just talk at your audience. Be sure to include Q&A sessions, live demos, and use multimedia tools like slides or videos just to keep everyone really engaged. Plan for breaks to keep the energy up and give everyone a chance to mingle and ask questions. Now let's talk about preparing materials. All right, so we're talking handouts, brochures, and take-home materials are all awesome for giving your attendees something to look back on. Make sure your slides are visually appealing. Use high-quality images and keep text to a minimum. Think about adding interactive elements like quizzes or games to make the session fun. And don't underestimate the power of personal stories or testimonials from past clients. They add a personal touch that people really connect with. All right, so the big day has finally arrived. It's workshop day. When conducting the workshop, very, very important that you greet everyone warmly and create a welcoming atmosphere. Icebreakers are a great way to help participants just get comfortable and engaged from the get-go. Follow your agenda, but of course, you've got to stay flexible. If a great discussion starts, let it flow. Keep an eye on the room to kind of gauge the audience interest and adjust your pace as needed. The goal is to make everyone feel valued and heard. The workshop might be over, but your job isn't. Follow up is key. Be sure to collect feedback through surveys or casual conversation to see what went well and what could use improvement. Share insights from the workshop on social media to show off your expertise and, keep the buzz going. Send thank you emails with a recap and any additional resources you mentioned during the workshop. Follow through is important. And don't forget to mention any future events or workshops that you have planned. Keep that momentum going. All right, let's wrap things up. We've covered a lot today, from choosing the right location to marketing, creating an engaging agenda, and of course, following up after the event, which is crucial. I hope you're feeling inspired and ready to host your own travel workshop. To help you get started, you can find a downloadable checklist below to make your planning a breeze. And we'd love to hear from you, so be sure to leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips and tricks from Gateway Travel. Happy planning, and we'll see you next time, everyone. Safe travels.